I have been spending quite a lot of time on Twitter, and really staffing and staff retention is a big, big issue right now
Right,
for
right.
cleaning businesses. With your experience in building a business up from 6 to 130, was that right? Like
Yes, 140. Yes.
what's your secret? Like what do you now tell other cleaning business owners, the sort of strategies, the tools to implement
Well,
to build those teams?
sure. I think one of the biggest areas is making that employee feel valued and feel like they matter in the company
Mm,
and that they're important. The work of the company is important. Too many times we bring them in and hand them a mop and a bucket
mm,
and say, go clean. Those employees will never stay with you.
okay.
They have to see the value of what they do. They have to see and have pride in what the company does. I'm also a huge supporter of community involvement in the company,
Okay.
giving back with charitable time spent, charitable events, and energy like that you put into your community. When employees see that, they're part of something.
Mm,
So when they are part of something and they feel good about where they are and what they're doing every day, they don't have a tendency to leave. Training is the number one thing that you can do to help employees. Too often, again, we give them a mop and a bucket and say, go clean. I strongly believe that your trainer or trainers are the most important people in the company besides the CEO, because that trainer is the one that has the ability to mold that new employee and to give them the right attitude. I would much rather have a trainer who is stronger in people skills and less strong in technical cleaning skills.
yeah.
I can teach the technical training skills. I can't teach, it's very hard to teach attitude toward other people. And that's what you look for in a trainer
Yeah.
is that attitude toward other people. Are they caring? Can they give direction? Can they correct a misbehavior without demeaning a person? And so that trainer is like the golden nugget to the success of retention.
Okay.
And then once they get through the training period, the next period is keeping them, of course, and keeping them with employee motivation tools and events. Something as simple as a monthly meeting with staff that says Mary Smith and Tamara Jones and so and so and so and so all had no absences this month
Mm,
and they're getting a certificate of
mm,
appreciation. So come on up and get your certificate of appreciation. And when you do this in front of their peers, it has so much more meaning for them. And
yeah.
it can be very small things, but it makes them feel that they matter and they're important. I found over the years that for some of the employees, the work environment is the best environment they have. They often come from dysfunctional families or dysfunctional home lives. And if we can be a bright spot in their day, they'll come back. That's human nature. Anybody's going to come back where they're applauded, they're given a pat on the back, they're told you're doing a great job. We need you, that kind of thing. They'll come back for that because they get enough grief. Some of them get enough trouble at home that they want to get away from home.